2021. We also managed to get into Pinninkatu 30 stick stay here, and it's next to Tammela Square in Tammela, Tampere, Tammefors, Finland. It's so amazing with 8 floors, super original. And we have been a status PNC as well, so you can watch those videos. It's with a mechanical fabricator built in 1959. Turned 60 years old in 2019, and the serial number is H8150. And for some reason, the staking speed, this metal plate was taken away, but as you can see, it has that also here. Basement floor is locked off here, but the staking speed is open. And it's going to be inspected in 2023. And now let's try it. And I am sure this must have been completed in sometime, maybe in December 1959.
Yeah.
Because the interior is very much MP6 here.
Yeah.
And it was designed by that time. But they still didn't use the MP6 buttons. Well, until spring or summer 1960.
Yeah.
I like the sounds here and the vibrations.
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing. Yeah. Sadly, the basement floor is locked off.
Yeah.
When we do a second round, it will be a silent one.
Yeah. Inspektiit vaikuttanut meidän sillä.
Not the best possible maintenance, but still original. Silent. I love the relays here. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, please watch the this video and see here as well. As they can see, only has 6 floors. No, 7 actually.
That's it.